How's it going, folks? My name is Candra Septiawan Nugroho, and here I am again in this YouTube platform doing my task. And today I'll be making a video for the second task of the ESP, or English Specific Purposes. And yeah, it's going to be a video which I used to make, which is I'll be doing my class tasks, which I answer some of the question. And today the question will be, what does highest render value mean, and then explain shortly what are the differences between ESP and EGP, and then there will be some slides and I should be able to identify them, which are they belongs to, is a ESP or EGP. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump into the videos. Okay, first thing first, what does highest render value mean? Highest render value belongs to ESP because, well, mainly it means that if you want to learn something specific, which is in this case in specific purposes, you already know what lessons or what kind of lessons that you need to learn. As an example, this engineer again in the last videos that I've mentioned, when he need to learn English because he need to learn how to speak in English properly, because when he want to work in Germany, he need that basic English skill to communicate with each other. So in this case, he need to learn English mainly in the speaking skill, because he need to learn English because he want to communicate, if that makes any sense. So if the teacher already able to provide that he need to learn this speaking skills more, then it is already been able to clarify with the highest render value. Yeah, I think that's how to describe it. Or if you want to learn, let's say if you want to be a writer, so you will learn lots of grammar, lots of tenses rules and things like that, phrase. So you want to learn writing for English, and if you learn or enroll to this class, and this class already able to tell that you need to learn writing for your writing skills, then it is a high render value. Or you already know which things to learn, or the teacher already able to know which things to teach you, then it is called with high render value. Okay, and the differences between ESP and EGP is, well, it is as how it is. I mean, like ESP, you already know it is English for specific purposes, which mainly aims in specific purpose. And EGP is English for general purposes, which is mainly academic, where you should learn the 4 basic language skills in English, which is listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Yeah. So because EGP needs to learn all of that, it doesn't have any high surrender value, because you know what? Even though you want to learn speaking, you need to learn these other 3 things. So it doesn't have any high surrender value. But in ESP, if you want to learn speaking, then you only learn speaking. You don't need to learn all the other skills, if that makes any sense. And that's are the main differences between ESP and EGP. Yeah, so EGP is more general purpose, which you need to learn lots of things in English, but mostly these 4 basic language skills. And you mainly found them in these schools, perhaps such as senior high school, I mean. Okay, and then the other question is slides 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so the first slide, I think it's going to be ESP. Yeah, I think it's ESP since no, it's an EGP since the English education students, they learn these English things, but even though they were enrolled in this language class or in this English teaching class, but not all of them wanted to be teacher. Most of them only want to find some things to learn to improve their English skill. So in my opinion, it will be more proper to be put in the EGP, since not all of them have the same purpose to be a teacher, right? And then the second slide is going to be ESP because, well, Jisoo need to learn English because he need to be able to communicate worldwide since he is an international artist, right? So I think she should learn English for increase his speaking skills, so it's mostly ESP. And then the second slide will be ESP as well because this coach need to post analysis and pre-analysis, which he need to be able to talk the analysis in English without having any interpreter. So he need to learn this ESP since he need to learn these speaking skills. And then the elementary and middle school student who learn English is going to be EGP for academic purpose. We already able to tell that it is surely an EGP since whether they like or don't like it, they need to learn it. So it's mainly EGP. And then the last slide is health faculty students who need to take an English course. And I think it's in the ESP or in the middle of ESP and EGP since they are another classification in the English for things purposes. There is English for medical purposes, and I think it's in the EGP branch. So I think it's EGP because they need to learn a lot of things in English to help them doing their research perhaps or doing their medical purposes. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's going to be my video for today. Thanks a lot for your attention. Thank you very much, and I'll be seeing you again in the other videos. Goodbye.